He said to me, I just want to read, you make my head hurt. You want to key to Hezbollah. You bastard. I need my space, you terrorist F-word turd. Hold it off. Run away, you freaking psycho. You know, Mark Rose, you're being bashed by Duterte supporters. Because, for me, cakes to Kuya Park official for bashing Mark Cruz, even the Duterte supporters. Oh, because this person, he needs to be non-political. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He doesn't know what he's posting at. As for me, Mark Cruz, you have to be non-partisan. Uh, shit, here we go again. Mark Cruz, you should never be in Carousel production. You should never be in Miss Earth 2026. You were not invited. Because you were banned. You call the beauty queens are cattle cow and you call themselves ugly. Now you see Mark Cruz. I bash you in Instagram threads. I use my, what is that? My ultimate of platinum. I already bashed Mark Cruz. I say to him, bring it on. I told him. Now you see, Mark Cruz. You are going to be defeated. Because, folks, because this guy is posting lots of nonsense. Mark Cruz, when I talk with J. Rick Silva, when he said again, many, many times, tigilan mo na kasi pagpo-post laban sa mga Duterte. Nakakaiya na to, Mark Cruz. Because, for me, the Duterte supporters are going to bash you in social media. Oh, at least I have my ally, Kuya Park official. He was my good friend. I spoke him in Tagalog, I spoke him in English. I told him, pag nakita mo si Mark Cruz, i-bash mo siya sa social media. That's what I just say again. Whether if he wanted to be like, you will get you in trouble. I say again, Mark Cruz, stop posting. Me, I was there at the time. I never post about politics. So, because you're posting political affiliation. That's the reason. Because I know Mark Domingo Cruz is really an anti-Duterte. He's really a pro-Marcos wannabe or pro-Marcos loyalist wannabe. Just like Kuya Copio. What you can see, the person that he's posting at, it's all nonsense. Mark Cruz, I'm just gonna say to you, umiyak ka na lang. Dahil kasi, like I said, pinopost mo kasi ang kung anong kalokohan, just like you posting about against Duterte. Now you see what really happened. The Duterte supporters are going to bash Mark Cruz. And that's what I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz. Non-partisan. Look at the JM Bansicio. I remember. I've been following him in Instagram at the time. Or even in threads. He never posts about politics. Because he's non-partisan. Because this guy, he's posting political. Now you see what really happened to you, Mark Cruz. you will get bashed by Duterte supporters. When I was told by J. Rick Silva, sinabi ko kay J. Rick, bahala na lang kay Kuya Park Official, ibabash nila si Mark Cruz. You know, for me, kilala ko yan si Kuya Park Official. We know each other when I met him in TikTok Live. I told to Kuya Park Official, ikaw na bahala kay Mark Cruz, i-bash mo na lang siya sa social media. Pag nag-post pa siya ng kung anong nonsense about against Duterte, o kung gumawa naman yung kalokohan si Mark Cruz, like I said, i-bash mo na lang, like what you have to experience that, because you know he will get bashed. I just say to Mark Cruz, you have to be non-partisan. I am non-partisan as I'm a Duterte supporter. I am not siding with anybody, even the political color. Because I know I'm non-partisan. For me, I'm asking to Mark Cruz, you will be happen to Vice Ganda. Do you even know last year that Vice Ganda was being bashed by Duterte supporter? Because I know she got bashed by Duterte supporters. As you can see, she never heard something what she's saying. She said, jet ski holiday, Duterte supporters going to The Hague. Now you see, the Duterte supporters are angry at Vice Ganda. They boycott McDonald's. They bash Vice Ganda in social media. Now, what really happened was, Vice Ganda was being bashed by Duterte supporters last year. That will be happen to Mark Cruz. Believe me, he would get bashed. And I'm telling you, Cruz says, you make my head hurt. You will be bashed. I'm telling you, you know, for me, last 2020, I've been bashed by Trump supporters who were Filipino Americans, who were Americans too. That they bash me in social media because I'm the one who criticized Donald Trump for killing Qasem Soleimani during the time the US airstrike in Iraq. As you can see, as you can see, I just left there in the Trump supporters before US election when I joined with Carl Villos to endorse Joe Biden. As you can realize that I'm being bashed by Donald Trump supporters. Oh. But for me, I'm not taking side with the Biden supporters. I'm not taking side with the Trump supporters who were among of Filipino Americans. I always to be neutral. As you can see, I'm also a neutral with the Duterte supporters or Marcos loyalists. I always stay neutral. I am not taking any side. Because recently, I say again to Mark Cruz, if you post about against Duterte, or even Sara Duterte, Baste, Paulo, and Kitty, they will bash you in social media. They will bash you in Instagram threads. Believe me, Mark Cruz, it's not a joke. I've been in contact with Kuya Park Official. I told him, ikaw na bahala, i-bash mo na lang yan si Mark Cruz para tigilan niya yung pagpo-post kung anong kalokohan tungkol sa mga against Duterte. So, if I were say to you, Mark Cruz, delete that post against Duterte.